ng masama. Next, man by nature is vindictive. Man by nature is vindictive. Vengeful. Gumaganti. Mapakigante. Masakit pakinggan, pero ito yung katotohanan. Selfish. It's when you think about yourself first, that's selfish. But the degree of selfishness, yan, magkakaiba-iba tayo. But it's still the same, impuna mo yung sarili mo. Vindictiveness, meron ding degrees of vindictiveness. But still is vindictive. So, by nature, unahin yung tao yung sarili niya. Kaya pansin nyo, kapag in-order niyo yung tao, lahat ng pwede niya gawin at sabihin, balik na rin lang yung sitwasyon, maisalba lang yung sarili. Wala talagang umaamin. Kung umaamin man yan, bibihira na buo. Kaya nga meron tayong kasabihan, the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I'm now entering business ethics. Oh, sabi lang totoo, pero nag-hold ka, that's not the whole truth. Now, I'm not here to tell you na mali yan. I told you, ang aking stance is reality. Dahil yan tayo eh. Pero kailangan meron tayong gawin kasi meron tayong gustong abutin. Vindictive tayo. And it also stems from saan? Being vindictive stems from selfishness. You know, vindictiveness is basically our thirst for justice. Umaganti tayo kasi nasaktan tayo, yes? Hindi tayo ganti kung hindi ka ginawa ng masama. Kaya nga tinuro, di ba? Sa Biblia, ano sabi? Kapag ikaw ay sinampal sa kaliwang pisngi, ibigay mo ang kanan